Hello everybody, I'm going to fix this controller today. I got all the parts. We're going to replace those one diode, I believe, and the other one, actually we're gonna replace this MOSFET as well. It's still holding somewhere. I thought I took it out the other day. Oh no, it's all good. All this paste all over the place. Excuse me about my voice, I'm a little bit sick. There's a flu going on, so I'll try my best to not cough on you guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this rectifier. I think the rectifier is good. I will test it, but this rectifier looks pretty good. The only three components I want to change is those three pieces, and I think, yeah, this one is G40 UD. Yeah, so this is the one. So I got, this is gonna go here, and this one is this diode, and the third one is, I think it's a MOSFET or a triac, I can't remember. Let's see the part number. RF640N. Where is it? It's a MOSFET, yeah. So I'm just waiting for my sucker to warm up. I will not replace the rectifier. The rectifier looks good. I tested all the other components. I didn't see any fault. This is a Treadmill control board. And I will start with removing those components here. What you want to do, usually I put flux on the legs, that way it will get easier to remove, but I'll try it without because I'm going to use this sucker. Maybe I don't need the flux. Yeah, it's warm. I think I need to change to a different extension, maybe this thicker one. Let's see if I can do it while it's warm. Don't try it at home. I'm just a little bit lazy of doing it. Okay, let's see if I can pull it out. If you ever do it this way, be careful because it's hot. So keep in mind that that's very hot here. Oh, there's a thread in there too. Yeah, you don't want to do it with your hands for sure. So it will take some time though for me to take the thread out. I'm just gonna put it quick. It's already getting hot. I think it's good now. Yeah, this tool is awesome. I don't think it's warm enough. It's almost there. I might have to take all the solder out still with my flux, so I don't know, I can't tell. This tool sometimes works good, sometimes not. It's hard to say. I hate being sick. From time to time I will stop the video because I want to cough so bad. Actually, I checked yesterday and I have, I think, on my channel 400 subscribers, so thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate it. And I have always new ideas, so you guys will see there's a bunch of things coming up, new things all the time. We'll see. I don't want to say anything yet, but we'll see once I get to 1,000 subscribers. I might gonna do something very interesting to support you guys, and you know, we'll see. I don't want to say anything yet, but we might gonna have something big coming up, but I don't want to give too many promises yet, so yeah, they are still, they're not coming out that easy. Oh, let's see what I can do here. I'm just applying heat on one leg and she's trying to pull it out slowly. They did really good job on the flux or on the solder for sure. Doesn't want to come out easy, which is good, but it makes life a bit hard. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my heat gun. Probably gonna be much easier. Let's see what I can do. One more thing I want to tell you guys, discipline is very important. So even if you're sick or doesn't really matter, just, you know, go to work, do your job, try your best. Even if you don't feel like doing something. Because let me tell you a little secret. Nobody cares that you're sick or anything like that. So just do it, you know. Just go to work, do something. Okay, you know what? It doesn't work really well for some reason. It should come out easy. I don't want to bend the control board. Okay. That's not the way I planned. Let's see. I'll try to take more of this flux out. Or solder out. I think this one is good. They put so much solder on those legs, which is good, but it's difficult to remove those components. Sometimes it goes so much smoother. Other times I don't know. It gives me a hard time for some reason. I might leave it alone, you know, and come back to it later. This is something also I recommend. If something doesn't go well, just don't force it, you know. Just go back later. That's why sometimes control boards and all those little jobs, if it doesn't go well, just take your time, do it tomorrow, whatever. Or take your time, you know, see it's coming out. Boom. Okay, so this one, it's the G4P C40 OUD. This is the component. You can see same thing. Boom. So much paste. Always wear gloves too. Okay, now I'm gonna solder. I'm just gonna go one by one because it's hard to remove them and take them out, so I just prefer to do one and go to the next one. I'm probably not gonna do any service calls today. I'm a little bit off. Maybe I need some time to rest. I work too much. Alright, that looks very good. Now I'm just gonna cut the legs. Cut the legs. Cut the legs off. I'll do the cleanup after, but one is good, is installed. Now I'm gonna do the second one. Hopefully this will go a little bit easier on me. Oh, there's so much solder still left. Lots of solder still. I know this video takes me a little longer because it's hard for me to do any work today, but I'm still pushing it. I don't know why those MOSFETs are so hard on me today. Let's put more heat, let's see, maybe it's gonna be better. I'll do 470. Oh, by the way, I can turn off this. Okay, I think it's coming out. Perfect. Now let's take this leg out and this one. Okay, that's good. Let's go slow. Don't break any legs. Okay. It's gonna be good. So which one is this one? This one is this F30U 60DN. I think it's this guy. Yeah, right there. This guy, I need to correct this pad right here. See, it came loose. So I'm just gonna put some flux and solder on this leg, on this side. I don't know if you can see, but it came loose. Sometimes it happens. So I'm just gonna put solder on this side, and then I'll go and do it on the other side too. Just to make sure I have good contact. There's my solder here. Let me reduce the heat a bit. Use a 400. 400, 397 is good. Let's get it. Because I have one pad missing here, well, not missing, it's loose. I want to do it on both ends too. It's a good idea to do it for all of them. Man, there's so much. Let me do it on all of them. Let's do it right here. Flux, we need flux. Flux is your friend, remember. Oh, no, I don't like those points. Doesn't look good. These good points. Yeah, that's fine, as long as there's a good connection. I want to put a little bit more on this side too. That's much better. Okay, one more to go and I can send the board. Probably tomorrow I'll do it. Maybe I'll take one day off today, we'll see. But I just want to do something, you know, I have to do something. Actually, I want to use the brush. Where's the brush? I like the brush. Oh, something fell down. Let me just... Very good. Okay, let's remove this last piece. Last MOSFET. Come on. Don't give me a hard time. Come on. Go. Do it fast. You know what? I'm just gonna use the same method. I don't know why it doesn't wanna come out easy. Don't ask me. I'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, I got it all out. You just want to clean it up a bit better. I'm almost done, almost. I know it takes a little longer than expected, but nothing I can do. Sometimes I'm also human. Oh boy, this doesn't want to go smooth, eh? Crazy. Okay. Okay, this leg, the middle leg just connected behind there, so that's fine. Now where is my MOSFETs?